Life is like a wave sea, constantly moving, with no end in sight. We are mere travelers, drifting along the currents of existence. Nothing stays with us forever, but what lingers are the memories. Just like waves that touch the shore, some people leave lasting imprints on our hearts. Their presence, their love, their impact, these memories remain etched in our souls. They may be gone, but their essence lives on through the memories we hold dear. In the wave sea of life, let's cherish the waves of memories that shape who we are.